In this video, I'll be showing you how to add tokens to your Trezor suite. First, connect your Trezor device and open the Trezor suite app and lock it with your PIN. Next, choose for the correct account. For example, if you're adding an ERC20 token, go to your Ethereum account. Now click on the Tokens tab, then select Add Token. You can search for the token name if it's already supported. If it's not listed, choose Custom Token and paste the contract address, symbol, and decimals. You can find these details on sites like CoinGecko or the project's official page. Once added, your token will show up in your balance, and you're ready to send or receive it using your Ethereum address. And that's it. You've successfully added tokens to your Trezor suite.